Hello, my name is PJ, and today we're going to be installing some running boards on this brand new 2011 F-250 crew cab. We've opened up our hardware kit, and so we've got everything here. We're ready to install, so we're going to start here on the front passenger side. And you're given what's called a U-nut in your hardware kit, which you're going to slide through the rocker hole, the rectangular hole, and you actually want to slide it over towards the little hole until you hear a pop. And then you're going to take one of our hex bolts with the flat washer, actually go through the factory hole on the pinch weld. You're going to take your flange nut and just tighten it. You're going to take another 5/16 hex bolt with a flat washer, and then you're going to insert it up into the U-nut that's at the top of the bracket. Now we're on the second location, which is just next to the front bracket. Again, using your U-nut, you'll put it through the hole, slide it over until you get the pump, and then you'll take your bolt again. Just do this, just the same routine as the first one. And then from here on out, they're going to look just like this, and they're going to install the exact same way on the third, fourth, and fifth bracket. Now we just finished installing our brackets, we're going to now take our billet board, which is a board that we manufacture, and we're going to take these 5/16 square head bolts and actually run on the bottom of them. One thing to remember, not only are these available in black, but we've also got them in the bright aluminum as well. So let's go ahead and put these on the bottom. All right, now when installing these, obviously you'll see you've got the two channels underneath. So we're going to take the square head bolts, just going to run it underneath the cap and then go down through the channel. You're going to do 5 on each side. Now to do these, you're a little tricky, so you're actually going to push the bolts in the location, and you're actually going to tilt the board out to get that first bolt in, because you do have a little lip here, so you'll tilt it out and then just drop it, making sure that the top bolt's in the same location, and you drop it straight in. You'll do that to all 5 of the brackets, and then you'll put on your flange nuts. Now we've just got done putting all of our bolts through the brackets, so now we're going to take our flange nuts, put them on, take them all the way up to the top by hand. That way you make sure they're on properly, you don't strip them. Then you're going to take your ratchet, and when you tighten them down, you just want to snug them. You don't want to over tighten them, because you will cause the bolt to be pulled through the board. You'll do that to all of them, and you'll be done. We've now finished our installation. Very easy, no drilling required. Thank you for joining us, and have a good day.